Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and today we'll be revealing the FRANCO card trick in the video a few weeks ago. So if you haven't watched that video yet, pause the video, go watch that one, and come back and then watch the tutorial. Alright, hopefully you watched the video. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a deck of cards and organize them by color. So reds on one side, black cards on the other. So then you're going to have either one on top when you start the trick. And then when performing the trick, you're going to just pick out 2 black cards and 2 red cards. Obviously, don't make it obvious that the deck is set this way. So then you're going to have the spectator pick a red card and a black card. And then put these 2 in the middle. So you're going to put them between the red and the black. So you're going to split the red and the black up and flip it over. So they should be face up in the deck, just like that. Then the trick is basically it. It's just the spectator now. So red card. So obviously the spectator is just going to guess and see. They're just going to go through and guess if they think it's a red card or a black card. So obviously, and then you put all the red cards here. But then you're going to switch. So then you're going to put all the black cards here. So this pile is going to be correct. So then once they went through all the cards, you're going to see, alright, let's see how you did. So they're always going to get one side correct if you did it right, if you put the thing correctly. But then with this side, it's the opposite. So what you want to do, you want to take the pile, leave out the top card, and flip it over. That way, it'll flip the cards over, making it look like you got all in red and black cards. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what you think. And follow me on Instagram. I will be posting some stuff there once I get more followers. Thanks for watching.